Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. I finally just compared this Seedream 4 with the Nano Banana and I got some amazing output, and some people are saying that Seedream 4, you maybe know that this was released by ByteDance 2 days ago. Some people are saying that Seedream 4 can easily suppress Google Gemini 2.5 plus Nano Banana, but my opinion is totally different. Why? Let me show you some of the outputs, some of the examples that I have tried. So first of all, if I go to this ideogram.ai and I have taken some prompts from this website. Many of you already know about this ideogram. Here you can generate AI images, and for this AI image, here you see that on the right hand side I have this prompt. So if I just exactly copy this prompt and paste it here, here you see that from the left hand side I have just selected this Seedream 4, and from the right hand side I have selected this Nano Banana. Okay, and here you see that I have got this output. Now if you exactly compare this both output with this image, okay, then you can easily say that this image is exactly matching with this Nano Banana image, right? Because in case of Nano Banana, here you see that this rat has a cap of shape, and also here you see that this rat also has a cap of shape. But from the Seedream 4, there you see that there is nothing of cap or shape like structure. But in this prompt, it is totally mentioned that where you see they combined into an unforgettable masterpiece in the form of a rat cook. So this cook is mentioned and also rat cook. So that means there should be some kind of visibility of cooking, right? And which is present in Nano Banana and not present in Seedream 4. I don't know why people are saying that Seedream 4 can beat Nano Banana. Now let me show you one of the second example that I have tried. So what is that? Yes, this one. So this was like a sea beach and there is a sun and sunset. Okay. So from the right hand side, I have just copied this prompt, and if I paste it here, here you see that from the left hand side I have got this kind of output, and from the right hand side I have found this kind of output. Now if you see this both output carefully, then you will find that the Nano Banana generated output is looking more real than the Seedream. So if you see that Seedream output is like a oil painting kind of things. Okay, someone has painted this, because if you see that the sky is not like the real one, but in case of Nano Banana, the sky is the real one that we generally see in case of sunset. And also it is mentioned in our prompt that a striking and emotive photograph showcases a stunning beach sunset where a solitary time-worn tree takes center stage. Okay. And also if you see this output from this ideogram, this is also looking like a real, not a uh, oil painting kind of things. Okay, so here also I will give the point to Nano Banana, not the Seedream 4. And if you want to know more about the Seedream 4, you can visit this website. I have given the link in description. They have given some of the outputs, like if you give this kind of prompts, uh, this this kind of different things, then they will merge it into a single image, okay, which we have also seen in case of Nano Banana. And also if you just make a story from this one room, then also you can write a whole prompt and it will do that. Okay, and also here you see that if you want to remove any object from a photo, you can also do that. So this editing image and generation image both are supported here. Okay, and there are different examples that they have given. Now if you want to try that, so just go to this lmarena.ai. Okay, so I will also give that link. So lmarena.ai, and what you will do that here, select this generate image, this option, and after that on the left hand side, just from this battle, select this side by side or direct chat, and after that you will find this. Okay, and here you can select this Seedream 4 here, and you can compare it with any other image generation model like this Leonardo model, GPT image, or DALI 3. You can compare with them also. Okay, but make sure you have selected this image, otherwise you will not get this image generation model. Okay, so My opinion on this Seedream 4 versus Nano Banana is that for me, Nano Banana is very much better than the Seedream 4. And you also please let me know your opinion in the comment section. And if you found any uh, and don't forget to watch the other videos also, like I have already published today code buff, the new real vibe coding, and this is the Coin 3 next new model, this Replit Agent 3, and also this another news of N8 alternative SIM AI. So please watch that videos also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.